Welcome back to Keen Plays. Today I've got another board game here from Temu. Very excited to show you guys this one. This is another board game that I picked up for super cheap through the claim credit promotion that Temu was doing. This game was regular, like $63 on Temu, and I was able to get it for just over 16, taxes and everything included. So a wicked deal. Especially since this is the 38th best game rated on Board Game Geek. I'm pumped about this one and I'm excited to get into it and unbox it. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. This is Everdell. As I said before, it's currently ranked 38th best game on Board Game Geek, and it has a current average rating of 8 out of 10 and a geek rating of 7.832 out of 10. So ranked very good. This game came out in 2018, but honestly, other than that, I don't know too much about it. So let's unbox it and see what we're dealing with here. Let's just have a look here at the box first of all, because sometimes these things can get banged up through shipping, especially from Temu it seems. But other than like maybe a little bit of damage here on this corner, doesn't look too bad. Back of the box looks pretty good. Yeah, it looked like maybe there's a little bit of damage on that one corner, but otherwise looks pretty decent. There we go. Yeah, so a little bit of damage there. It's kind of coming apart. I don't know. Interesting. There we go. Okay, let's see here. We've got the rule book, which it looks pretty good quality. Nice and thick paper. Everything seems pretty legit so far. And we've got the board. Very nice. Upside down. There we go, that looks nice. Oh, it's like a little bent right here. That's too bad. I mean, not the worst. Could be worse, but unfortunate nonetheless. And we've got some cutouts. Looks like we're making a tree here. Okay, there we go. I got the tree all set up and I got all those cardboard pieces punched out. So we can continue on with unboxing the rest of the components here. And so far everything seems like really good quality. I'm not sure if these are just stones, I guess. Little plastic stones. We've got some kind of gold pieces there, also plastic. And we've got some nice wooden creatures here. Nice wooden characters. And we've got a 8-sided die here. And a whole bunch of cards. There we go. Couple decks. And then some log pieces here, it looks like. And some kind of berries or something. And that feel rubber. Let's see. Yeah, these are like little rubber pieces here. Huh. That's cool. And another little deck of smaller cards here. Which, yeah, these feel pretty good. Pretty good quality here. Nice. Yeah, so those are berries. Makes sense. What is that? Oh, it's resin. Resin and twig. Okay, that makes more sense. Okay. Some little cards there. And these bigger cards also feel quite nice. Really nice artwork on this as well. Yeah, very nice. Nice. Very awesome. Well, that is sweet. It's happened a couple times where I've gotten something off of Temu and it just doesn't look like the pictures at all. But yeah, recently I've been, whether it's good luck or whatever, but these games are lining up with what they're supposed to look like. So very impressed. Like I said, everything just really good quality. Nothing about this is, screaming fake or knockoff or anything like that. Like I said earlier, game just has such good ratings. I'm very excited to get into it and figure out how it plays. And if that's something that you guys would be interested in, let me know down in the comments. But in the meantime, feel free to like this video or subscribe to my channel. That would be awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. See ya.